Your bumper's hitting right now. Yeah.
My bumper's hitting.
Hold up.
Green up.
Bumper scraped it right there.
All right, go that way. Drive right there. Now come forward.
Low or leave it on high?
Leave it on high.
There we go.
Yeah, you need a little leg, but you drag your belly everywhere.